This is a 2002 Chrysler Sebring convertible, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the window regulator. So first thing you're going to do, real quick, because you know I don't play around, we're going to pop this speaker cover out. Just get a screwdriver and it pops right out. Here's the other side. Okay, so once you pop it out, you'll have two Phillips screws holding this panel. One here, or one here, and one here. Once you take those screws out, you have two little screws right here holding this down. What that is there's a plate that's holding this rubber piece down. So you're going to take out those two screws. Once you take the two screws out, all you got to do is lift up on the panel. Lift up on the panel, and remember, when you're on the corner over here, you're going to have to just go this way with it. All right. There is 3 bolts to the window regulator. There's one right here, and there's one right here, and there's one in the bottom. One in the bottom. You see? That one right there. This hole right here. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Take those, that's a number 10. Undo those. You're gonna have to unplug the motor, which is this plug right here. There's a red clip. This is the red clip. Pull that clip out, and you're able to pull those plugs apart. All you do is lift up on the window regulator. Again, here's the 3 bolts I was telling you about. 3 bolts. Now, if you have if you bought just a window regulator from the junkyard, you want to exchange just the window regulator, and you still have the window, you would have to take off the window from those 2 bolts. One there and one there. So you're taking out your old window, so you didn't have to pay for the window itself. If you're taking out the old window, remember the plastic goes like this. Sometimes you can't even see. The black on the outside and the white clip goes on the inside. And make sure that when you put the window back in the window regulator, the bottom goes inside that clip. I'll show you in a second. You can see the glass is back inside the clip. It has to go inside that clip. All right? You can see the glass is back inside the clip. It has to go inside that clip. All right? Wire back in, and then we'll put the panel back in, the 2 bolts, and the job is done.